Hello everyone, greetings to you all. I am Serqet, I'm in Ray from the Royal Queens Reiki and Holistic Healing Center located in Baltimore, Maryland. And I'm out here in sunny nature at the park near the lake. And I'm out here playing my bowl. And so I thought I'd share a little bit. This is my crystal amethyst singing bowl, one of my tools that I use for my crystal sound meditation sessions. And this is the A note, which is for the crown chakra and the pineal gland, the pineal. So enjoy the sound. As you notice, I'm playing it barehanded. I'm holding it because when you're using it for healing and balancing, you want to have the vibrations go into you. Now the sound just stopped. When you've been playing this for a long time, the sound carries a very long way. See how long you can carry the sound. Long time. So that is the power of the A note pineal gland crystal quartz singing bowl. This is just one of the tools that I use in my sound meditation sessions. So we're looking forward to seeing you all. Ladies, come on out. We're having a workshop called the Divine Gateway, and it talks about the women's divine gateway. And so you definitely don't want to miss that workshop. It's going to be Saturday, June 8th from 10 to 4 p.m. And looking forward to seeing you. You will get a lot of great materials, a lot of applicable bath rituals and spiritual meditations and everything that you will need to begin to cleanse and just unload a lot of things as females carry in our divine gateway. And so we want to have a balanced mind, body, and soul, and that's how you achieve it as a woman. You have to get yourself together. And for a female, that starts with your divine gateway, because you are a divine being, giver of life. Okay, star seeds, I will talk to you later. I'm going to meditate a little bit more and head back in and finish for the nighttime full moon in Scorpio. And I'm a Scorpio. 11/16, the ball's in our cart. Yay! But Saturn's in retrograde. So chill. Till we meet again. Peace.